FreeBody family, Kat here with some exciting news. My book is here. My book is here. I'm so excited. The book published last week, and now it's up for your purchase on Kobo, Amazon, and you can get the ebook or the print version. I like the print version because I like to write in it. But I want to share with you, this book is really for you. In this book, I talk about the 3 systems that contribute to pain and dysfunction. I explain to you how those 3 systems keep us stuck in pain and dysfunction, why old injuries come back, why aging doesn't have to suck as much as you think it does. I'm 54. I feel great in my body. And when I get injured, like I slip or fall or something, I don't worry about it. I heal very quickly because I know what to do. And this book is going to teach you what to do. I explain about chronic low back pain. I talk to you about my sciatica journey. I share stories from the thousands and thousands of people that I've worked with over 30 years to help them understand their bodies and get out of pain. I wrote this book for you, and I really hope that you'll pick it up. I really hope that you'll read it. Not only do I explain those 3 systems that get dysfunctional, but also what is the meaning of this logo? What is the 5-pointed star of goodness? What are the 5 things you must attend to get out of pain? Well, those things are stress in your nervous system, breathing, making sure you're breathing properly and well, breathing hacks that actually reduce pain significantly immediately, breathing practices that get you out of a stress response and contraction. I talk about and teach about self-trigger point release, which there's so much of on this channel, as you know. I talk to you about posture and why that's important, and actually what certain postures really are a setup for low back pain, sciatica, neck problems, all kinds of issues. The other points on the 5 points are stretching and how to stretch well, and why maybe you don't want to just hang in a stretch, why that's not such a good way, and some ways to stretch well. And then movement, of course, movement. Look up movement breaks on this channel. I've got tons of them and more coming. So when you address those 5 things, breath and stress, self-trigger point release, stretching, posture, and movement, you have the best chance to get out of pain. So this book teaches what the 3 systems are that you need to address, the 5-pointed star of goodness, and it's got a lot of science and a lot of stories from my clients over the years. I really hope it serves you. This book is for anyone with a human body who wants to age well, feel their best, keep doing their sport as long as they want to. It's for body workers. I'm a body worker, and I've worked in bodies for over 30 years. This system works and helps my clients get out of pain every day. It's for doctors and physical therapists so they can understand why their clients with chronic sciatica, chronic low back pain, chronic neck and shoulder tension, why they're not helping them if they're not successful. What are the 3 systems you must attend to, and then how to apply the 5-pointed star of goodness. The book is called FreeBody, The Body, Pain, and a Path to Freedom. I'm so proud and so excited to offer this book. So I'll drop the links below for you to purchase the book through Kobo, through Amazon, or through my website. I'm so proud and happy to offer this book to you. I know it's going to help you understand why you're stuck in pain and how to get out of it.